to Kericho, where our reporter Bridget Ngana is currently on standby. Now, Bridget, there was a very interesting conversation last night between you and the governor to do with the games that will be kicking off today. How is the atmosphere then? Can you tell us a bit more?
Well, at the moment, it's that the games have not yet officially begun, but the counties are marching. It's more or less like a guard of honor for the different counties that are taking part here at the Kikoska Games, the 7th edition for that matter. So the governors have arrived. Some of the governors whose counties are here have come to just see their teams and give them the boost that they need just before the games kick off officially. The governor said that they're going to do track and field and also ball games that are also being hosted in different venues. But the Kericho Green Stadium is the main venue for most of the track and field that are about to take place later on in the afternoon. We will be live here, so the viewers can tune in on NTV to watch the 7th edition of the Kikoska Games. The special thing about this is that there's going to be an international match between Kenya and Sweden, rather. Not a match, rather, but a race for people living with cerebral palsy. So we have two runners from Sweden and also one from Kenya. This is a first for Kenya because this is something that has never really been seen or even taken place on the track, and so they're talking about empowering persons with disability, and hopefully Kenya will be fielding some candidates and participants in the future, possibly in the 2024 Paralympics that are slated for later on. But we did speak with the representatives from CISPRA, and she was from Sweden, and she was saying that Kenya and African countries are really lagging behind in terms of empowering persons living with disability in terms of sports. But here, the nation is here, I can say. All the 47 counties represented, the people are here, the excitement is ripe, and you can feel it. And it's going to be a charged week because for the coming days, the sporting events will be taking place here in Kericho, bringing together people from all over the country and from all the counties. And this will be a heated and I believe a very exciting sporting event in the country, with the host governor saying that is also going to improve the economy of this county.